Two roads diverged in a road, and sorry I could not travel both.
And be one traveler, long I stood,
and looked down one as far as I could,
To where they bent in the undergrowth. Then took the other as just as great, and having perhaps a better claim, because it was grassy and mutton big.
Though as for that the passing day had both them really about the same.
And both that morning equally lay,
in leaves no step had trodden back.
oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way